hardly 5 minutes, maybe less than that, but you must have Java 8. Huh? Yeah. So this is your first sample code. Right now, most of the things we will take it as a syntax, but slowly we'll be discussing what is public, what is class, and everything. Public class, say my class. And that public static void main. Now main function. Huh? Main function is there in every programming language. Why it is so? Because it is the function from which execution begins. No matter how lengthy your program is or how short your program is, you have to have main function if you want to execute your code. If you want to execute your code, you have to have main function. Now, main function is a function from where execution begins. This is the concept. But various different programming languages like C, C++, Java, Python, C#, they have got different ways of writing main. They have got different syntaxes of writing main. So when we are in Java, keep one thing in mind. When we are in Java, main function has to be written as public, static, void, main, string, args, and this subscript operator. Now, meaning of each and every we will discuss. Don't worry about that. But at present, I would like to tell you that main function has to be written that way. If you don't write that way, then your program will not execute. That demo I will give you separately. Okay. System.out.println. Again, this we will take it as a syntax without understanding why system.out.println. Welcome to Java. Okay, so we are going to write a sample code for Java and we are going to execute that. So I've written this code. Now this code I will save by .java extension. But what is the name? My class. Because this my class is the name for this public class. Okay. Don't worry, everything will be clear slowly. File save. Where should I save? I can't save anywhere. I mean, I have decided that I'm going to save everything in my work folder. So I will go to work folder. And in that work folder, I will save it as my class dot. Inside work folder, I will save it by my class dot Java. .java extension is must. You can check here also. My class.java has been saved. But how do you check on command prompt? Is dir. dir command. You can see my class.java is there. It's a source code. How will you compile? I told you inside bin, one of the files we have is Java C. That Java C is Java compiler. C stands for compiler. So Java C is a Java compiler which converts source code into bytecode. So Java C, my class.java. Now here, first of all, Java C compiler will check whether this Java code contains any syntactical errors. If Java code contains any syntactical errors, Java compiler will report so and so line has got so and so error. If no, if errors are not there, then compiler will convert Java to dot class. Compiler will convert .java to dot class. That means compiler will give us Java bytecode. I would like to request everyone to keep yourself on mute, and whenever you have any doubt or whenever you want to share anything, you can unmute yourself, but otherwise you have to keep yourself mute, huh? Because that will disturb the class. Okay, Java C myclass.java. Now we don't get any message from compiler. That means syntactically we are correct, and that also means that compiler must have created bytecode or converted .java into .class. How can we check that? dir one second. And now you can see there are two files here, myclass.java and myclass.class. So .java is a source code and .class is a bytecode. Now I will run that code. How will I run that code? Java myclass. Now I explained to you that in order to execute your Java code, you have to have JRE. You have to have JRE. So when you have JRE, how will you use that JRE as a programmer? By using Java command. So when you use Java command, you actually use JRE on your platform. When you give Java command, you actually use JRE on your platform, and that Java and myclass. One more thing, when you say Java myclass, you actually give bytecode to JRE, because in that diagram also we saw that we are supposed to give bytecode to JRE and JRE will execute that. So when you say Java, you invite JRE. JRE, please come and execute my code. Now what will you give that JRE? You will give JRE bytecode. And what is bytecode? .class file. Even though bytecode is .class file, when you say Java, you are not supposed to mention .class file. You are not supposed to mention .class. You have to just say Java myclass. But when you say Java myclass, you actually mean myclass.class. When you say Java myclass, you actually mean myclass.class. So end. And you will get output of this program, welcome to Java. You will get the output, welcome to Java. Now, right from the moment of